and other times there are hedgerows or open meadows. The various plants in the hedgerows have diverse colour flowers, and the green of leaves is darker here and brighter there. Gentle sunlight flickers between the branch hue. They pass Porbury Fields on the right and Flutterby Fields on the left. Franzipan Farm looks lovely in the sunshine, with the Franzipans all in flower. And Candyflop Meadow is awash with colour as the humblebees hum on the breeze. This time it is Mrs. Snoodle who is riding. "This is so much better than riding on our kitchen chairs," says Mr. Snoodle, who is sitting on the back. "Shall we go to visit Nodkins?" says Mrs. Snoodle above the sound of the engine. As she says this, however, ning ding ding ding, ning ding ding ding, ning ding ding ding. Nodkins scoots up beside them on her mini motor scooter.